Safe opening service. Safe opening is a critical service that helps to ensure the safety of individuals and businesses. This service is performed by trained professionals who are experienced in opening safes. Safe opening services can be used to open safes that have been damaged or tampered with, as well as safes that have been locked due to forgotten combinations. Safe opening services can also be used to open safes that contain valuables that need to be recovered. Safe opening services are available from a variety of companies, and it is important to choose a company that is reputable and has a good track record. Contact us today at 647-762-7387 for safe opening service.